Those are some spooky looking clouds. So today is a Mag Darter day. I didn't really plan to be using this, but I was getting a response on it, so sitting here watching the weather. Oh, it's really nasty over there. I don't know what it's doing. It looks like it is kind of coming this way. All right, got on the Mag Darter and we're on. Let's see what he is. Oh, it's a big fluke. Oh my God, that's a big fluke. Wow. Oh, that was a big fluke on the Mag Darter. I didn't expect that. Yeah, I want some new scenery. Looks like there were some birds out there, but they broke up. So I'm gonna work on the inside as the water comes in. That's the sea robin, not our fluke. I know the flukes like to hang in here. This is double trouble. You gotta deal with the robin and the treble hooks. Always be careful with these here treble hooks. You can get stuck. Always be careful with the robins. They have those spikes on the side of their gill plates, and of course the ones on top. Very tricky fish to handle. Put them together, and who knows? They're going for that. If there's anything else around, it's looking real, because those robins are being a little picky today. And it's wilder than a blue. Whoa, that's it. Wow, slow down. All right, sun is setting. Feels like he's tugging good. Wow, what is he? Horseshoe crab there. Come on, buddy. Let's get a look at you. It's a blue. It's a blue. All right. Bluefish. Thank you. Thank you, bud. We got bluefish. Let's see if there's any more. Oh, good. I hope he didn't scuff up my line, because I don't feel like retying. All right. Got something on. It's a little bigger than the other guy, I know that. I don't know how my lens is, but I'm going to leave it. Oh, these guys are casting over my head. He's definitely bigger. I think he might be a bass. Oh, he's a blue. A little bit bigger blue. All right. Mag Darter. Coming in now. Oh, that's a nice guy. Whoa! Nice! See if he gets himself off. Got my pliers in my bag. No. Blue, yeah, blue. Thank you. He got himself off my hook. All right. Yep. Hooks. We had to work for the fish today. Work with the mag darter, just because that fluke took it and those robins took it. So I just felt like it was very convincing. So I stuck with the mag darter. Pulled out a nice bluefish, another smaller bluefish. Dropped a beautiful fluke, a couple of sea robins, and that is a day of fishing. Thanks for watching.